Hi everyone, Sarah here. I am back to share with you another new to me company. So this company reached out to me to review some of their products. They are Yesfinal.com. This is just a quick overview of their website, and then we will get into the unboxing. As you can see, they are focusing on Christmas right now. A little too early for me, but I guess it'd be nice if you want to buy your stuff now to get it drilled as gifts. So yeah. So this is their website, yesfinal.com, pretty much the same as most of the online diamond painting websites. This one is nice though because it has some categories set out for you. They have new arrivals. Diamond painting is broken down into round, square, special, crystal, and tools. They do have cross stitch and paint by numbers, of course. And then here's the DIY crafts. They have bookmarks, notebooks, wallets, folding fan, light, backpack, and the list goes on and on and on. Then they have different animals that you can choose, different characters that you could choose, landscapes, flowers, and they actually have them like broken down. Let's click on cactus. Oh, there are no cactuses. Okay, maybe they're working on this. Let's check out the gnomes. Well, this is awkward. It looks like they are working on this and it has not been fixed yet. There we go. So these different categories, it looks like they're just adding them in. So they're probably in the middle of updating the website as I'm doing this, but yeah. So we're in diamond painting round drill right now. So you can see they have wreaths, they have diamond paintings, all kinds of stuff for you to choose from. They do show the sizes. Let's see. I believe these guys, some of them do show the image with the rendering so you can see what it would look like. There we go. So there it is. They even show that there's a border, so the actual image is smaller than the 30 by 40 size. But this gives you a good idea of what it's going to look like, so you don't have to guess or take your chances. That part I really do like. So it tells you the size, tells you the price, and then of course there's a description. Yeah, so great setup there. Out of curiosity, let's check this because this is a 40 by 40. I'm just gonna go this way. Yeah, so you can tell that one's gonna be pixelated because that is a really tiny detail for a 40 by 40 size. You're not really gonna be able to see those kitties very well. So that really helps when you're trying to decide on when to purchase your paintings, if the size is gonna be okay, is to check for that rendering image. And I would say that a lot of the stores are starting to do that. And this one seemed to have, the majority of the ones that I looked at had that image. So that is a great thing. They do have free shipping over $40. I have it set in US dollars right now, but you can change for your currency. Let's go to square drill. I've noticed a lot of stores have much more square drill paintings now, and some of them are on the larger size, the 40 by 50s. So that is really great. Oh, look at this fancy storage that just popped up here in the square drill. I have seen some people review these for different sites and they actually look really cool. They're the little TikTok containers inside of the drawers, and then these drawers can be stacked together, like locked together. So that's really cool. They have some very cute Christmas images in there. Okay, maybe we might need to buy Christmas now. Price-wise, $10.87 for 40 by 50. Great price. I think that's a great price for 40 by 50 and for square drill for sure. Yeah, so good site. Check it out. I will have the links out down below for all the products that I picked, and we will be right back with the unboxing. Okay, let's get into this package. This one is sent by Yesfinal. It was shipped July 24th and I received it August 5th. It is in the same plastic mailing bags. I'll just open it up here. Easy for me to get at them. And we have 2 paintings to share with you. Get my scissors here. For this store, they asked me to specifically pick 30 by 40s as that is their most popular products that they sell. So, I have a couple of 30 by 40s here. Ooh, nice and tight in the bubble wrap baggie. Let me put off to the side. This one, this is my second Gnome picture. Here is the kit. It's just the boat, the wax, and the pen. Put that behind us here. And here is our cute fall gnomes. So again, I'm not huge on the gnome craze that's going on. And this is the second one that I had picked, and only because it was fall. Because fall is my favorite season. So, the canvas is very sparkly. Let's see if you can see that sparkle. Super sparkly, and the glue is nice and thick and glossy. So we're gonna have some nice glue there. The image looks very crisp and clear. See their cute little noses. And I think the sign says, "I love fall." That's going to be hard to read, but that's all right. It's tiny. Okay, so here is the code. The size is 30 by 40. There are 24 colors. It is all letters on the legend there. No numbers or symbols. And let me measure it. Just shy of 25. Just shy of 35. So just over 5 centimeters on each side. And I just loved that it was the black and orange and yellow for the fall. I love the decorative pumpkins. I think it's going to be super cute. Let's take a little close up. The black ones are going to be, it might be a little difficult because we've got some O's, B's, and I don't know if we have an R. Yeah, the B and the R are very close. They're both dark. There's the B and there's the R. So they're both dark backgrounds with white letters. And that's something that definitely gonna get my eyes in a little bit of a tizzy. This one, just drop my scissors. I'm gonna stab myself. This website was also in US dollars when I picked them. And this 30 by 40 pumpkin gnome was $6.98. It's round drill. And it is silver and blue labels, but the only thing that's on the labels is the color number and the canvas code. DMC code is on the canvas. Again, there are 24 colors in this one. We're gonna have some nice neutrals, my favorite mint there, but also some bit of a brighter colors to make it pop. So this one's gonna be really nice. I'm probably gonna work on this one closer to the fall and get some summer bright ones done first. But that one's gonna be very, very cute. So that's the first one. And then the second one here, again, is in another bubble mailer. a little tight on the end. Alright, so this one is a little bit different. This is a special drill, but it's kind of a full special drill, but this is the one that we kind of call like the bubble paintings. There's a lot of air in there, so let me flatten this one out. One of my hairs. Crazy up in the top in the pink with all the different sizes and different letters. This one's going to be fun. I've only done smaller ones like this. I haven't done, this will be the biggest one. Usually they're just the little tiny ones, but these are pretty popular now. So this is a 30 by 40. I'm not sure if it's the website or me, but I called it Cherry Tree because of the pink at the top. So here is the thumbnail. So we have the landscape at the bottom, the sky with the moon in the middle, and then the top is the leaves, which are all different colors of pink. There's the code, 30 by 40. The legend is pretty, I don't know if it'll focus there. We have 30 different colors and sizes, obviously, because there's all different sizes for this one. So there are DMC codes, which is surprising, but not for all of them, because some of them the DMC code says like Z94, Z6, Z8. So those are like the special drills. But there's 5200, 963. So we'll have to see if those ones are crystal. Here's the kit. There's a boat, a wax, the plastic tweezers, and a pen. I find the best thing to use for these is the wax pencil. That is my go-to for any special drill crystals. It just seems to work better. The tip on a regular drill pen is not the right size to pick up a lot of the bigger crystals. So you'll have issues if you try and do it with a regular drill pen. Alright, so there is, oh, these are stapled onto here. I probably should not take that off because they're stapled onto a number. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. You can see there is a baggie of these white ones, but there are still some white ones in there also, so I guess they found out that they did not have enough. And they're labeled as C, and that's these big white ones. They're probably meant to be stars in the background. So let's start at an end here. Oh, it looks like they've done that throughout. Okay, so there's some big dark blue, some turquoise, fuchsia. There's another like purpley pink. We have a light pink. There's the white opaque one. Then we go to a slightly smaller size. We have purple, red. There's a peach with an extra baggie, yellow with an extra baggie, and brown. And then we have dark blue, light blue, and like a slate blue. And we have our pinks. And there's the smaller opaque white. These ones look tiny. That's like a purple and a pink. A lot of dust. And there's the smallest opaque whites. And our different pinks in the smallest ones. The blues. So pretty. That's like a coffee color. Gold and orange. So that is going to be so cool. If you can see the background there of all the different letters Yeah, it is all letters and a plus sign and a minus sign. So there's upper and lowercase. So that is going to be very cool. And the glue is nice and glossy. So I don't know if that's going to be quick, but it's going to be fun. And this one it's a 30 by 40. Just shy of 35 and shy of 25. So just over 5 centimeters on the borders of those ones. And this one was $15.71. So it is a much higher price point for this size, but it's full special drill. So the price makes sense for this image because of the crystal drills and all the different sizes. And there is quite a lot. So that one I think is going to look really cool. All right, so let me know which ones you like here out of the two. And stay tuned for completed images. I'll let you know if there were any issues. I'm assuming that they fixed any issues of not having enough drills for this one by attaching the baggies, so which is great. That's awesome. All right, so that is it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.